Morning. Right. Trying to unbox this. They taped it. Really well. This is the clothes drying rack. Yay! Okay, time for assembly. I kind of figured it would be at least some assembly required. It's total assembly required. Don't let anybody fidget. Anyway. There were instructions. There we go. It doesn't look like I need tools. Okay, assembly. Love how to do this. Okay. Alright, so let's got that. Alright, we take these two parts. And you foldable parts. And clip these into foldable parts, like so. Let's do it in order. Anyway. It says to open this to assemble. Okay. We have so much room, guys. Guessing. I put all the ones that go on this first. Then I take this one. Line them up. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay. Actually, hold on. That's not what it's showing. Okay. Now, says to put 3 in. Okay. The 3 in the middle. You go in and attach the 2 together. Okay. 3 in the middle. Oh dear. Okay, those are good. So we do this like this. I am grateful that this doesn't need any tools or anything to okay. You do that. also grateful this doesn't weigh much. One. No, don't see your tummy. Two. And this is hard to do in the sunshine. There we go. Three. Okay. So that is the first part. Then I need to stand it up. Uh-oh, that's not going to stand up like that. That's not going to stand up like that. Oh, stand it up like this, dum-dum. Okay. You need that out of the way. Okay. And that. Okay. So that looks like the top. And I'm going to put two more in. Is that right? It's upside down at the moment, but it's supposed to be. Okay, that's one. That's one. Now I'm going to flip it. Yeah, this is pretty easy, guys. For which I'm very grateful. Now, the only problem I have, I'm going to stand it up and figure out. There we go. Okay. And now I got to stand it up properly. Why will it not stand on its doggone feet? What am I missing here? What am I missing? I gotta figure out which way this thing stands up. These are the feet. These are the feet. Oh. Maybe not. Hold on. Ow. Alright. I still have to put two more pieces in over here. So let's do that. Actually, all three. Not sure why. How does it stand? That would be the next thing we need to know. this part here locks in somewhere. Hold on. Okay. Please make sure all ends have been inserted in the U-shaped channels. They have. Okay, now stand it up with the 3 on top. Whoa. Okay. Let me stand up over here and figure out what's going on. Alright, let's get this thing completely unfolded. Oh, that is full size. Both sides. Okay. Why am I not? What am I missing? What am I missing? That it will not unfold properly. Okay. Okay. It should be 3 on top, and that should be going across the top for one thing. So let me. Oh, wait a minute. This should go. This way. Hold on. When you unfold it, let's pull this up. Pretty sure when you unfold this. Oops, I folded it. Okay. When you unfold it, this part is supposed to go. Yep. Like this. See, sometimes you just have to. There we go. There we go. That's the way it's supposed to go. I did it. Yahoo. Okay, guys. Let me show you. Directions weren't that clear. Sorry if I was a little quiet. Alright. The way you get this on top is that you have these 2 clips on this side, and you have to take this and put it down onto the frame like that, and that's how you fold it up. This is huge. So, it's collapsible, that's all I can say. Let me put it over here. I don't mind leaving it over by this door because I can easily move it. So, that's not an issue. And I will leave it here myself. Fold it up. I can put it right in the closet. I'm so dry this end. Oops. Fell off. Why did you fall off? There we go. Now you won't fall off. I am so dry this morning. Ugh. I'm so happy to have my drying rack. Like I said, today we will be doing well, you haven't seen that video yet. Well, hopefully you have, and it's come out already, by the time this one comes out. But I will be doing a cooking video today. I will be doing, fortunately these don't dry, so. Well, the video I just did, which is the assembly video, so. the other video I was going to do today? Cooking video. This video. And there was one more. And those dried. Excellent. Pretty sure it was anyway. I'll have to look at the other video and remind myself what the third video was for today. Isn't that funny? I have to look at my own video to figure out what I'm supposed to be doing. Finally, get everything from being all over my house to one spot. I'll show you in a minute. I just didn't turn it around here because I didn't know if I was going to be putting underclothing on here. I didn't need to, so. Got one last pair of pants over here, which are dry. So, here we go. It's actually pretty tall and it has plenty of room. And actually, right there. And I can get out this door anyway if I need to. Fold this down flat and I can put it away when not in use. So I love that idea. Oh my goodness, my hair. So yeah, I'll have to look at that other video and figure that out. I also got a letter from my fuel assistants. I am all set. Oh my goodness. Okay. My medicine. So I'm going to put this in the vial. I'm very happy with that. I didn't know. There. I didn't know whether they were going to send me another letter. But I'm all set, so. And believe me, after dealing with my lady over there, I would not want to deal with her again. She has zero patience. And I never knew I had a lady over there. Let me just toss this back in my. still have some other wet stuff. Let's put this towel here. Yikes. And my Fallen Angel shirt, which is almost dry, but not quite. Right back here in the sunshine. Sorry, here we go. Perfect. And there's actually still plenty of room. I just have things spread out because I have room. Well, it looks like we're running low on battery. I hope you enjoyed this assembly video. I know I did. It was very straightforward, except for the last part. So that's a good thing. I'm gonna go make blueberry pancakes. And we will make our pork after. And whatever the other video was that I have to go check, that is hilarious. I'm getting there, guys. I'm almost healed. And I will see you after. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I hope it's as beautiful and sunny as mine is. Let me know if you've ever assembled one of these. My mother's was wood and it came assembled. So that's a necessity, and it's something my mother's been wanting to get, had been wanting to get for a long time before she passed away. So I'm glad I finally got it. I like that it's tall and narrow. You know what I mean? I mean, when I say narrow, this way. It's narrow this way, front to back, but it's wide enough this way. So I do like that. It's a little bit different than the one my mom had, but because it's taller and narrower. But that's fine. I actually think close it this long. But at any rate, I could probably put it where I want it and then clip that in, but I don't think so. I think that has to be clipped in where it is, which is fine. It's actually a really good height for me. I would say it's about, well, given my height, I would say it's about 4 feet tall. If you look at it where it is on me. Because I'm not 5 feet tall, so it might be 3.5 feet. Thank you for joining me. Have, like I said, a wonderful rest of this beautiful day. And I will see you in a little while. God bless you. Please click like, subscribe if you're new, click the bell. You know the routine. Bye, guys.